I'm Elvin Andrew, the founder, CEO, and principal scientist at FUBIZO. At FUBIZO, we help the food and beverage industry innovate by linking brilliant ideas to great products. If you have a new idea, we can help you do the product development. Or if you already have an existing product that you would like to improve, we help you reformulate. Our clients typically come to us with an idea they want us to develop. And in some cases, they already have a product, but they need help in manufacturing scale up. For instance, they may have a product they like in the market that they want to replicate, or something new, fresh, innovative that is technically challenging, such as developing a cookie with a moist filling on the inside but hard crust on the outside with a shelf life of 1 year. A low GI cereal product that tastes great, a packaged potato chip that tastes like it's been dipped with sauce, a canned latte that tastes like it's been freshly brewed at your favorite coffee bar, and so on. We understand that a great product needs to be commercially feasible, so we can also help with production transfer and scale up. Because we believe that the number one factor ensuring a product's success is repeat purchases, our approach to product development has always begun with the consumer in mind. We always ask, what can we do to give the best consumer experience? How do we make a product that is cost effective, commercially scalable, and better positioned in the marketplace? How is this product different and significantly better than other offerings out there? The ability to answer these questions accurately is what makes FUBIZO the best team for product development, because we are extremely obsessed with delivering extraordinary results that have a wow factor. We strive to do things differently at FUBIZO as opposed to doing things the way it has always been done. And when we get out of our comfort zones, a new discovery is made that benefits our clients and their customers, who are the actual consumers of our awesome developments. One common trait all our clients have is that they're hungry to take their business to the next level. The whole reason for FUBIZO's existence is to help you achieve that milestone. By creating a truly great product, you vastly enhance the consumer experience, and these ensure repeat purchases. If you'd like to know more, please visit fubizo.com or email us at hello@fubizo.com.